My name is Esther. My surname Vasquez Chavez. My favorite number is 20. My chair is 30. Hi, from the Chiclayo. My favorite country is Russia. Number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The family, my grandmother, my grandfather, my mother, my father, my sister, my brother, and my cousin. Thank you.